So here we are on our wee adventure through the Blair Witch Project. How long did they find the boys? So guys, what do you think? Yeah.
It's gonna be a fright fest. Be pain coming from their mans. Fucking chainsaw right in the head.
Mickey Joe, what do you think? Paddy Joe. We will pause it there for the meantime. I can smell them. We're getting close. Yeah.
Straight in, no kissing.
I
Straight in the ground.
think we're close. You can't see them. They're just over there.
You're not seeing us.
Oh my god. It's like so scary.
You run here, huh? You run here. We come out here.
Sweet.
Right. I'll carry it down to the house.
Man, I'll fucking
You take it. Right. I don't know where the fuck we're on, but anyway.